Nice.
Welcome to Win Show House once again. And today we have an exciting product to exhibit to all our customers. What we have here is our lovely Win deep fryer. And one thing I like about this deep fryer is that it's very simple in terms of the design. As a matter of fact, everything is detached. Being detached, we mean you can actually remove all the parts, including this portion. You get it? Made of stainless steel. That makes it very easier to wash and all that. Very accessible. You can use it to fry most of your fries in terms of your potato chips, yam chips, whatever meat you want to fry. And it makes cooking so simple and yummy, palatable. Oh,
how don't she?
And this is our traditional cash cow product. It needs no introduction. You know what I mean? The Win commercial blender. More we need that. Casa be so quiet in farmer. The last time, you used the blended glass near the other. So it's near blended glass there. And then I'm a person born and I'm a blended. But next time I'm blended iron and I say steel near the other. So basically, this is our star product, and we recommend everybody, as a matter of fact, every household, every kitchen, hotels, motels, hostels, and all commercial organizations, restaurants,
Say who?
Solar house in a win-win. One side, like labor, chilling today, break.